Y'all know how much I love my jelly detanglers. I have a video on my favorite. I will definitely link it above. But honestly, anything you can buy, you can really make it yourself in a few simple steps. You can have these ingredients forever, and in the end, you really save money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a super bomb detangler and never buy another one again. I'm sure you have some of these ingredients already in your stash, so let's get into the video. All you need is 4 ingredients, super simple. The first ingredient is aloe vera juice. You're going to need 1 cup or 8 ounces. Aloe vera juice is an amazing ingredient. It promotes hair growth, prevents scalp itching, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. And don't worry about measurements and all that stuff. I will definitely link it down below for you, so don't worry about that. You're also going to need some vegetable glycerin, my boo, my bae. It adds intense moisture, softens the hair, and adds slip. So bomb. Like vegetable glycerin, you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil adds slip, it penetrates your hair cuticle, it prevents hair breakage, and it adds softness and shine. I know some of y'all have drifted from the Lord's light and y'all don't use coconut oil no more, but it's okay. Feel free to swap out your favorite oil for coconut oil and vice versa. I've used olive oil in the past and I got just as fabulous and just as awesome results. I mean, either way, this recipe is just bomb. I mean, not to toot my own horn, but toot motherfucker. Guar gum is something that I use in almost all of my recipes. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of it for this recipe. Add slip. It thickens the mixture because ain't nobody wants some dripping down your back, and it smooths the hair. In this recipe, it ain't optional. You need it. And of course, you're going to use a mixer. I'm extra. You can use a fork or a spoon, but I really like using my mini mixer. I've been using it in all of my recipes because it really does a really good job of mixing my DIY products. And I will link it down below, as always. So you're going to add your coconut oil to your aloe vera. That's the first step. Then you're going to mix the vegetable glycerin with the guar gum. Guar gum can get pretty clumpy, but if you emulsify it into the vegetable glycerin, I find that it prevents clumps and really gives you a nice smooth mixture. So take your time and emulsify your guar gum really good into your glycerin. Trust me, be like me, be better than me, and learn from my mistakes. This is tried and true, so do as I do, okay? And then you just mix it all together, all your 4 ingredients, and you'll see the mixture starts to thicken really fast. When I'm not filming, this detangler takes about 2 or 3 minutes to mix up. Once I have all of my ingredients on the counter from beginning to end, it really just takes a few minutes to whip it up. I usually don't make this in bulk. I usually make just as much as I need for one application, but of course you can make it in bulk. I do want to add that with my aloe vera juice, I do use it at room temperature. I usually set it out overnight just so it can be, of course, at room temperature. And then I make the mixture. If I forget to do it, I definitely ain't applying cold aloe vera juice on my hair. So sometimes I will heat it up on the stove or in the microwave. The microwave is not my favorite way to do it, but sometimes, shit, you just gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Now this is optional, but I do add an essential oil. I'm using peppermint. You can use lemongrass, spearmint, lavender, whatever you want. And then I just decant it into a bottle, which just makes it easier to apply it to my hands. Then apply it to my hair. You don't really got to do that. This is sort of extra, but I really enjoy doing that. Just makes the application way better. And you can see it is definitely almost identical to your African Pride or your jelly type of detangler. So let's get to applying. This is what my hair looks like. I think my hair in this video is about a week or so old. So definitely needs some love and TLC, but my hair honestly hardly ever gets dry because I really take care of my hair, but every now and then it do be a little dry, it do. So at first, before I go in with a detangler, I do some finger detangling with my hands just as a pre-step, just to loosen up my tangles because I still have tangles, even though I try to keep my hair as tangle free as possible by keeping it stretched. Here's another look at the consistency, and this is what it looks like. You can see it's jelly, has a lot of movement. I mean, this thing is bomb. I'm a genius for coming up with this. I mean, shoot. I mean, at this point, I need an Emmy, an Oscar, something, okay? So yeah, so I just apply it to my hair and smooth it through my hair. I use all 8 ounces, but I am very heavy-handed with product. You probably will only need about 2 to 4 ounces. If you're not heavy-handed like me, this large gallon of aloe vera juice is like $5. Glycerin is super cheap. And coconut oil is probably one of the most expensive things, and we all know that coconut oil is one of the cheaper oils on the market. So yeah, this is a super cheap recipe, so I don't mind using a lot. But look at this. Look how my hair just instantly pops with it. I'm so tempted to try to use it for a wash and go because it really just melts my tangles and makes my hair pop. It is completely amazing. Like, look at this. I have no tangles at all. I plan to do a video all about finger detangling. I know a lot of us don't finger detangle, but I've seen the increased health of my hair because I finger detangle, so I will have a dedicated, I'm struggling through this video, a dedicated video on finger detangling, so definitely stay tuned for that. So yeah. So then I just like twist that section up and I move on to the next section. Ain't no thing, that's all it takes. And I've used this recipe at this point about 10 times, so it is tried and true. Love it, love it, love it. This is my go-to. I do have a pre-poo that I love. Also, I did a video on it, my rice milk pre-poo. It is still something that I use and love. I will link it in the card. So this is just something that you could have in your arsenal, so you can alternate between different types of DIYs. This doesn't necessarily replace that other pre-poo, but it's something that I use in addition to that. This one is much simpler to make. But yeah, just see how my hands just glide through my hair. When I say this thing is amazing, it is really, truly, truly amazing. I can't say it enough. I just feel like I'm tooting my own horn, but well, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm amazing. It's amazing. What can I say? So yeah, I just continue this process all throughout my hair, and I take my time with my hair. I know some of y'all like to have a super fast wash day. That's not really my intent for my wash days. I want to have a fruitful wash day where I'm not pulling out my hair, where my hair is nice and soft and detangled and manageable. So, and this is what this pre-poo does for me, but it does cut my detangling. And no conditioner can detangle your hair like this 4-ingredient detangler. I'm telling you, it's really the truth. So yeah, and again, it just makes your curls look so good. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I really make sure I get the middle of my hair. This is where my hair breaks the most. My hair is weakest at that center point. So I usually apply more product on that area as well as my edges and my nape. And I know this is gross, but I know some of y'all want to see it. This is how much shedding I have. After a week, my hair hardly sheds because of the finger detangling, and as well as this product is really just that effective. So yeah, so that's what my hair is looking like. You can see it's fully detangled. Maybe you can't see it, but I mean, trust me, it is. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't be on here capping. Is that what the young people say? Capping for this product? Shoot, I don't know what y'all call it, but capping, I think. Whatever. But yeah, my curls are really popping, and it really just gets my hair prepped for my wash day. That's the point of this, is to make sure my hair is nice and detangled before I go into the shower. So I just clip my hair up, and usually I make it sit on my hair for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I rinse it out with a co-wash or a shampoo, and My hair is just flourishing. But yeah, just cover it with a plastic cap and make it sit, and then I move on to the next step. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. That's it. Thanks for watching. See y'all. Peace. I hope this video helps. Bye.